Talking about poultry farming, there are so many ventures that you can invest in and make money. In this video, we shall discuss 8 lucrative business ideas in poultry farming that you can invest in and make money. Number 1, poultry feed manufacturing. Good quality poultry feed is always in high demand. The success of livestock farming is largely dependent on the continuous supply of good quality, nutritious feeds at the competitive price. The business is very profitable according to the gross profit generations. Number 2, poultry farming equipment shop. This is one of the most profitable trading opportunities in poultry farming industry. You can start the business by 2 ways. You can source the material from manufacturers and sell from your own shop, or you can start with a distributor or dealership agreement of repeated. Some of the most popular equipment are poultry cage, layer cages, brooder cages, poultry ventilation systems, poultry heaters, nipples, drinking systems, poultry control systems, etc. Number 3, organic manure production. A very good quality organic manure production is possible from chicken wastes. An organic chicken manure production technology process includes the selection of raw material, i.e. that is chicken manure, drying and sterilization, burden mixing, granulation, cooling and screening, measuring and cutting, and production storage. Number 4, layer poultry farming for eggs. Layer poultry farming means raising egg-laying poultry birds for the purpose of commercial egg production. For poultry farming schemes with very large outlets, banks can provide you with financial assistance for construction of brooder, grower and layer house, feed store, or purchase of the poultry equipment such as feeders, drinkers, etc. Or you can use your savings to start the project. Number 5, frozen chicken meat processing. The demand for frozen chicken meat is increasing rapidly. The product is very popular in retail outlets. Some of the very popular frozen and chilled forms are whole chicken, boneless breast, boneless legs, drumstick with the skin, chicken wings, chicken thighs, etc. Number 6, egg processing. Egg processing opportunity includes egg grading, processing, pasteurization, spray drying, and eggshell processing. You can venture into this and make money, though a fully export-oriented plant setup is definitely cash-intensive business. Number 7, chicken hatchery. In the modern nomenclature of the poultry farming industry, the term hatchery covers the sector which is engaged in production and supply of one-day-old chicks. Day-old chicks are produced keeping in view the customer's requirements. But before venturing into this, you must be ready to look for the market of the day-old chicks. Number 8, broiler poultry farming for meat. Commercial broiler farming is the most successful business in most parts of the world due to increase in demand for poultry meat. This business can be initiated as small, medium, and large-scale business according to the investment capacity. You can decide to deal in 6 weeks broiler birds, 2-month broiler birds, depending on the market and your plans. Thanks for watching my video. Consider